Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. What a fantastic rally. The Nifty rallied nearly 600 points from a day before yesterday low to today's high. So luckily the last half an hour, there was some small profit booking. The Nifty has come down by about 50 points. Let us look at the data one by one. And number one, last 6 months, the high was 25,650. And in fact, last 6 months, Nifty has been trading between 24,350 to 25,650. So in this range, but 650 point up or down from the median level of 25,000. Even day before yesterday, Nifty was trying to move closer to 25,000, but it did not break 25,000. Just 2 days of a huge rally, and Nifty now has come to a swing high. The swing high was not taken out, but at some point of time, Nifty spot even crossed 25,600, but finally settled slightly below 25,600. So, but still, it's just only about 65 point away from the swing high. That's number one. Number two, and this is despite huge underperformance for the last 6 months by IT industries. It is the banks and auto that took this market to the swing high. And look at the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty all-time high is 27,600, and today it just closed about 150 point away from that all-time high. Whereas the Nifty is still significantly lower from the all-time high of 26,300. So the Bank Nifty is looking more bullish. Today, if you look at the top 4 stocks, it is ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. And of course, the fourth one is naturally Reliance Industries. These 4 stocks contributed for more than 50% of the today's rally. And this rally, today's rally, is a large cap rally. Mid cap, small cap, broader markets didn't do that much well, but the large caps have done exceedingly well. Another interesting observation, today morning 9 o'clock, and I saw the Rupee report. Rupee appreciated by about 40 paisa. So that's a very good appreciation. Why market rally? Because of the Rupee depreciation. Rupee appreciation. And there is a link between Rupee movement and stock market. I'll just give you this example. You are from India, you are investing in a stock market. If the market goes down by 1%, you lose 1%. And let us say some FIIs bring the US dollar to India and then invest in the Indian market. If the market falls by 1%, they will lose 1%. But in addition to that, if a currency depreciates by 1%, so they will lose 1% from currency depreciation, 1% from stock market fall, they will lose 2%. That's the negative side. Look at the positive side. Say some FIIs have come and put the money yesterday into Indian market from US dollar. Assume that you put the money. Yesterday you put the money, today market is up by 1%. That means your gain is only 1%. But FII put the money yesterday in Indian market is up by 1%, they gain 1%, currency appreciated by 0.5%, so they stand to benefit out of that also. So their net gain will not be 1%, it will be 1.5%. So that is why when the currency keeps falling and more FIIs continue to sell because, the fear. So they sell, transfer the money to US before Indian rupee depreciates further. So same thing when the market appreciates, when the Indian rupee appreciates, they will rush to bring the money so that they can get better rate of exchange. And if further it appreciates, they will get less money. So just like, market increasing, people come and buy, market decreasing, come and sell. The same way, when the rupee depreciates, they will come and sell. Rupee appreciates, they will come and buy. So anyway, today we have to wait and see what is the net FII flow to the secondary market today. Number two, these FIIs have been maintaining a huge short position in futures and options, and typically 93-94%. And then, the next few days, next 2 days, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all three are coming out with results, which has a total weightage of 1/3 of the Nifty. So, ahead of such key events, they will like to book their profits in their short position. So, that could have triggered a short covering rally. So, otherwise, what happened between day before yesterday and today? Nothing has happened. But look at the market rally, such a big rally. And that too only the large caps. The mid cap and small caps are not doing so well. So all this point to the fact that, now the markets may continue to move higher. And I've been telling you that October month should be a bullish month for us. And around Deepavali time, we should reach a peak. Last 6 months high is 25,650, which is just, 20-25 points away from today's high. And, only about 65-70 points away from closing level. And which can be done because we still have 2 more trading sessions before Muhurat trading session. So now coming to new support and new resistance. I told you 25,180 is a very, very important level. And if that is crossed, market is becoming long. In fact, it was crossed on last Thursday. And then market should have continued to rally if not for this Trump irrational tweet against China. I really do not know how an American president can behave like this. And today morning I saw there was a news. He said, he spoke to Indian Prime Minister. The Indian Prime Minister agreed to stop buying crude oil from Russia. And who knows, probably the short covering was because of that. But now there is another report from Indian side saying that, there is no such discussion. So how an American president, can say we had a discussion without having a discussion? And I don't think that India can be wrong. Because if Trump has really spoken, then how dare Indian guys will say, no, he has not spoken. I don't think that any country in this world, can speak a total lie against America. But America can do anything. America can lie. Especially that Trump can lie anything. He can talk something. The next day he can change anything. So because of his irrational social media posts, Monday and Tuesday market fell. Now again the market shot up. So now 25,180 has been crossed decisively. Markets rallied about 400-500 points higher than that. Logically, one resistance, when it is taken out decisively, becomes the support for the next leg. So by looking at that, 25,180 should be a very, very good support now, or approximately 25,200. For monthly series, not many trading sessions. There are 2 public holidays ahead, and still 25,200 put option trading around 55 rupees. That's a good premium if somebody want to sell. Of course, it's not a recommendation. If you are selling, maintain a stop loss. So the downside is very clear. Earlier it was 24,500, then shifted to 25, now shifted to 25,200. But upside, we are just very close to the resistance last 6 months high, swing high, 25,650, which can be taken out easily if some corporate results are good, like Reliance, HDFC Bank. And especially Bank Nifty is looking very, very bullish. And then if that is taken out, the next resistance will be all-time high of 26,277, 26,300 approximately. So let us see, the markets are bullish. And so I've been telling you that the market is in long side only for the last few trading sessions. So moreover, if my guess is right, and the Nifty should rally to at least 26,000 to 26,300 in the next few weeks. So accordingly, I'm positioning my trades actually. So let us see what is going to happen. Infosys result has come, not really very good. In ADR, it is down by 1%. But now people are not worried about the IT stocks now. And people are looking forward very good results from bank. But I don't know, the Axis Bank result was so bad. Axis Bank ADR was down 1%. And I thought, Axis Bank will fall. There will be a collateral damage in other banking stocks. But nothing of that sort has happened. And in fact, the biggest rally has come in banking stocks only. So that's how the markets behave. So let us see what is going to happen. So it will be interesting Muhurat trading next Tuesday. So people are hoping that 25,650 will be taken out on or before that day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.